Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. So this is my keyboard that I just got. I'm unboxing it, I decided. This is hard to do with the camera, that's not... Okay, I'm making progress. This is so bad. Oh, no one's unsubscribed. Okay, so I just found out there's a flap at the side you're supposed to open. Oh. It's in a wrapper. It's like my McDonald's cheeseburger. Okay, yeah, it's just like a better Chromebook keyboard. Yeah, it's quiet as crap too. Okay, so this comes with whatever this thing is. I think it's a USB thing or something. 2 batteries and keyboard. Okay. Yeah, it's really...
Subscribe to 3FPS820.